Welcome to Brain Popper, where science gets fun and your brain goes pop. Brain collision. Today, I'm going to show you 10 science facts you've never heard before, facts so strange, you'll wonder why your teachers didn't tell you this in school. Let's go. Fact 1. Bananas glow in the dark. Banana sparkles. Bananas don't just turn brown when they rot, they actually glow blue under UV light. Scientists discovered that as bananas ripen, they release glowing molecules. Imagine walking into a nightclub with bananas lighting up the dance floor. Musical notes. Banana. Fact 2. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 days. Your stomach is a warrior. Every 3 to 4 days, it replaces its entire lining so you don't digest yourself with acid. Yep, you're basically a self-healing machine, kind of like Wolverine, but with more burps. Fact 3. Space has a water cloud bigger than 100 trillion Earths. In a distant galaxy, astronomers found a giant cloud of water vapor, so huge it could fill 100 trillion Earth oceans. So yes, aliens might be chilling with cosmic swimming pools right now. Fact 4. Octopus blood is blue. Octopus blue heart. Unlike us, octopuses pump blue blood through their 3 hearts. That's because they use copper, not iron, to carry oxygen. Basically, they're underwater aristocrats with royal blue veins. Fact 5. You're shedding stardust. Every atom in your body was forged in exploding stars billions of years ago. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're sprinkling stardust into the universe. Bless you, galaxy human. Fact 6. The immortal jellyfish. Jellyfish. There's a jellyfish that never dies. Instead of aging, it can reset its cells back to childhood. It's basically the Benjamin Button of the ocean, but slimier. Fact 7. Wi-Fi is older than Instagram satellite dish. Your Wi-Fi signals? They use the same frequency as microwaves, and scientists figured this out decades before social media even existed. So technically, Wi-Fi is your grandma's technology, just way cooler. Fact 8. Trees can talk. Shedding. Tree speaking head. Through underground fungal networks, trees share nutrients and warning signals with each other. It's called the Wood Wide Web. Yes, while you scroll the internet, trees are gossiping underground like old aunties at a wedding. Fact 9. Saturn could float on water. If you had a bathtub big enough, Saturn would literally float, because it's less dense than water. Of course, the real challenge is finding a bathtub that's 74,000 miles wide. Good luck with that. Fact 10. The first computer bug was a bug PC. In 1947, engineers at Harvard found an actual moth stuck in a computer. They taped it into their logbook, and that's how the term computer bug was born. So yes, your laptop crashing today is the ghost of that moth haunting us. So, which of these blew your mind the most? Collision. Was it the glowing bananas, the water cloud in space, or the immortal jellyfish? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brain Popper for more facts that make science fun.